Oh. Oopsie. Hi guys, it's me again, Juan, and you know what? I'm getting another SoundSurge dinosaur! Sorry to scare you, but that's how a dinosaur scares someone. And they run away. So let's begin. We have the next SoundSurge Tyrannosaurus Rex. And yeah, you can open the mouth, and if you press here, it makes that creepy noise. And it can open his mouth, and you can get the HBK 22 is Gigantosaurus, which I have over there, and we're gonna compare it later. And Indominus Rex, I don't have yet, is HLK 94. Yeah, and it's in Jurassic World, and Jurassic World is one of the oldest dino movies you ever seen. And this is the front, the name T-Rex, the SoundSurge, what I already said, and the Jurassic World sign. That's what it looks like. Looks a bit cracked and a dino skeleton. That's the T-Rex. And two velociraptors that are named Blue and Beta. Here is the time, anyone? And if you look, the arrow goes over here. Tyrannosaur. And here are the stuff you're gonna need to read so much. Okay, let's open it now. You're gonna need a grown-up help. Now we're gonna unbox this Tyrannosaurus Rex, but you're gonna need supervision. Wait, what? Oh. Oopsie. How do I get this guy out?
Need some help?
Finally! Ah! Here it is, guys. You're gonna need to connect this and this. I just removed the tail. Like this. Daddy, we're gonna need scissors. Please. Wait a minute. How do you... Oh, I just put it together. If you can't do it, you're gonna need help. Supervision. Daddy, I need help. Yeah. Oh! Okay.
There you go.
You scared me. And now, here you go. The SoundSurge Tyrannosaurus Rex. Open its mouth. Makes a sound. Look at those teeth. Look at those sharp teeth. And look at those scratches on it. Those scratch. This is the battery. This is the battery. This is the battery. And it moves its little arms. Little arms. Little arms. And it's big, ultra, dynamic, kicking foot. Look at those claws. We're gonna need deep. Look at those scales. Look at the eye. It's so dynamic, realistic stuff. Look at this dynamic. Now we're up to the neck. Look, There's a pattern that you can see here. And now here's the back. All the way to the tail. Now here are the big dynamic feet. I want to sniff something. I feel scent coming on. Look at, starting from the nose, there's little nostrils that you can't barely see. Then the scales and the eyes and the, I don't know what this is called. Here is the neck, the neck, the neck, the neck, the neck, the neck. Look at this. Here are the teeny tiny hands from the big feet. And here's the tail. It kind of moves. The tail kind of moves. Look at the teeny tiny arms to the big feet. The little teeth in the giant jaws. The little eyes in the eye, whatever this is called, to the big head. Then the neck connected to the body. The body is connected to the feet. The feet is connected to the body. And it sounds like this. It has 3 sounds. First, second, third. That creepy, dynamic guy could beat a teeny tiny campy. Yeah. I'm a T-Rex, and I don't like plants. I eat meat, I eat nothing and scent. Hey, I want to see Giganto, my friend, my brother. Come on. Oh. A trainer's best friend. A trainer's best friend. Yay, we got Giganto, his brother. Hello, brother. Hi. This also has 3 sounds, and they're both sound surges, and they both eat meat. This has a big hand. This has a little tiny hand and a little tiny arm. How can you reach stuff, little guy? And they both so loud. Rare. He's the SoundSurge Tyrannosaurus Rex. See you in the next one. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whee! 3, 2, 1.